Welcome again as we unbox and evaluate EK610 specs and details. The Euroken Woofer EK610 is designed for audio enthusiasts seeking an enhanced bass experience in home audio systems or car audio setups. It has a diameter of 10 inches, 25.4 centimeters. This size is optimal for producing deep bass while maintaining clarity in mid-range frequencies. For handling, RMS power, 300 watts. Peak power, 600 watts. The power handling capability allows for high output without distortion, making it suitable for both casual listening and high-volume environments. Impedance, nominal impedance, 4 ohms. This impedance level is common in car and home audio subwoofers, allowing for compatibility with a range of amplifiers. Frequency response. Range, 20 Hz to 1 kHz. The lower frequency limit of 20 Hz ensures that the woofer can reproduce very low bass sounds, ideal for genres like hip-hop, electronic, and cinematic soundtracks. Sensitivity rating, 90 dB. This rating indicates the efficiency of the woofer. A higher sensitivity means it requires less power to produce a given volume level. Construction of this particular woofer. It is made of cone material, polypropylene or similar composite. The surrounding material is rubber. Voice coil of this woofer is approximately 2.5 inches. These materials contribute to durability and performance, allowing for better sound quality and longevity. Has a magnet weight of 60 ounces. The heavy magnet helps improve the woofer's efficiency and output, particularly at low frequencies. EK610 performance. Sound quality. The EK610 is known for producing deep, resonant bass without losing clarity in the higher frequencies. It performs well in both sealed and ported enclosures, which can be tailored based on user preference. Installation versatility. Suitable for various applications, including home theater systems, car audio systems, and professional audio setups. Its specifications allow for easy pairing with most standard amplifiers. It has USB port, Bluetooth connectivity, and most importantly, FM radio. Durability and reliability. The robust construction and quality materials contribute to the woofer's durability, making it capable of withstanding extended play at high volumes without compromising performance. Live sound can be used in portable PA systems where deep bass is required. Many users appreciate the EK610 for its affordability relative to performance, often noting its ability to deliver a satisfying bass experience without requiring a high-powered amplifier. Is a solid choice for anyone looking to enhance their audio experience with powerful and clear bass. Its specifications make it versatile for various applications, while its performance characteristics ensure that it meets the needs of both casual listeners and audiophiles alike. When considering an upgrade to your audio system, The EK610 is worth evaluating for its ability to deliver quality sound at an affordable price.